Hello guys, it's Kyle Leary here, and you guys might want to look outside the window right now because of this. It's a snowstorm outside. Yep, it's another snowstorm outside after 8 days. And today is also the second day of spring. And spring just started yesterday. And it's a snowstorm outside on the second day of spring. I mean, spring just started yesterday. It shouldn't be snowing anymore. I mean, I do like the snow, but it shouldn't be snowing anymore since it's spring. And today school had an early dismissal because of the snowstorm. And I just got home probably like a half an hour ago. It's 1:06 p.m. right now. And, it's gonna snow all day and all night until tomorrow morning. It's supposed to snow until like 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It started snowing around like 9 o'clock this morning. And around 7 o'clock this morning, it was kind of like howling outside. Around 11 o'clock, the snow was coming down. The snowflakes were much bigger. I mean, let me zoom in right now and show you guys. It still is snowing out. I mean, the snowflakes are much smaller now. I mean, could you see the snow coming down right now? We're also supposed to get like 10 inches of snow, I think. That's what I heard. And today is also Wednesday, March 21st, 2018. And I hope school does not get canceled tomorrow. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna have school tomorrow, but I hope school is open tomorrow. I hope it's not canceled again, like last Tuesday. I mean, I don't want to lose any more vacation days off of my spring break. I mean, I already lost Friday, April 6th, and I don't want to lose Thursday, April 5th, because if school's closed tomorrow, I'm going to lose another vacation day. And I don't want that to happen. But as you could see, the grass is covered, the walkway's covered, the cars are kind of covered a little bit. The street's not really that covered yet. I mean, there's slush on the street. But people still need to like drive slow just in case the roads are icy or something. So, I guess that was it. That was all I had to say, so make sure to subscribe for more, and bye.